Alright, so today... Oh shit, he's backing in. Alright, so today we're going to be putting a front mount intercooler on a Ford Fiesta. Should be a good time. There it is. I gotta go tell him to turn around and pull in. So, yeah, we're gonna get a front mount intercooler put on this bad boy, and then we'll see how long that takes, and then maybe we'll put all the piping on too. So let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, so there's that monster. So we pretty much got to take out the headlights. There's some screws on the side here. There's like a couple across the bottom. So yeah, let the fun begin. Alright, I'm gonna ruin his $380 intercooler. And done. So back to the time lapse. Okay, there it is done. I figured I'd tell you the tools I used, since that's what all the cool kids are doing. I think this is a 5mm. Yeah, this is a... yeah, it's 5mm. So 5mm Allen head is what's on all the stuff on there. I used, if you don't have like a Torx bit that goes to an adapter, just use like a 1/4 inch socket. And then it'll fit right in there. Let's see if this thing tells me what Torx it is. It's a T20. So you need T20. And that is for these guys. And there's 2 of them on each side. They hold the thing on. One thing you will need is a swivel. Doesn't matter the size. I mean, I use 3/8. So you're going to need a 3/8 swivel head. And I believe they are an 8. And that's for the... There's 3 of them on each side. You have to take those out. And then there's like, and then 7mm socket will be the other one that you need. So you don't need to use electric ratchets, it just helps. But yeah, so there's those 3 8mm here on the same side. There's 2, and then you need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver for some plastic rivets. So, but yeah, it looks pretty fucking sick. So of course we got to put Garageless on it. So champion of the people. But yeah, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.